Gonna put it inside.
Well, I'm trying to fix the dog blanket. I got this for Christmas. Let me see. See, it doesn't eat the coin properly. You see here. Here's the motor. It's supposed to go up when it's on and down. Alright, so I'm gonna fix it. I got this.
No.
Screwdrivers. What you have to do first is to get these screws off. Daddy was trying to fix it. Oh, well, here goes.
Screws down.
Here, I'll be right back. Oh, and here's the last one. Whoa. Alright. All the screws off.
No, still one.
Wait. They're all them.
They're all there, yeah.
And I can just turn it off.
off.
Take the batteries out. Alright, I need to take that out. Now take the bottom out. Let me see. Wait, and you're supposed. Oh, that's it. Oh.
There it is. It's all in there. It's all here.
This is the motors. Can you see how it moves? Look like. Whoa. Let's see if it's supposed to move properly. Whoa. It's supposed to move properly. Well, I suppose that. Oh, I see that. It's the.
Don't.
What? Oh, the screw off. I need to take these legs off these other feet. Oh, the last one. No, fire. Let me see. Oh, it's moving.
I know it's moving.
Something wrong. Oh, something's moving. That could be supposed to move properly. Whoa. That could be. Well, I was trying. No, wait, you're supposed to move properly. Oh, let me see. Oh, wait up, baby. I'm trying. What do you say then again? Take it this. Let's see. Press it. Oh, let me try. I'm gonna try. Hey! I felt pushing. Oh! No. Oh, that took it off. I just seen when press the button. Oh, still moving.
No.
I have to see more light. Well, oh, I just put on the wrong leg.
Who says it's the wrong leg?
It's the same barking. You need to put it on the right leg. Alright. Another long one. Ugh. Put in the. Let me see. Test it. Test it.
Calm down.
Let me see. It's not working very well. Oh, the direction. No. Well, I'm trying. Putting this piece on. Oh, no. Don't put that on. Okay, is it working? Let me see how it works. Let me see. Oh, no. It's not working. He's all up. No,
And then
up.
when he eats, he sits down and he eats, or does he
Yes.
eat just?
I'm trying. Probably more than that. Let me see. That's what I'm looking. Let me see. Okay, no, not yet. Not moving properly. Still not moving properly. Let's see. Oh, no, not yet. No. It's moving faster. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.